Enkosi kakhulu ngokuhlala nathi nisasibukele apha e-SABC lihaye i-Pan African Congress ivule ityala lolwaphulomthetho emva kokonakaliswa kwencwaba lika-Robert Sobukwe. Eli litye lesikhumbuzo kwidolophu yase-Robert Sobukwe eyayifudula isaziwa njengeGargrief eMpuma Koloni. Ngengxelo ke ethe vetshe siqhagamshelana nonobhala jikelele we-PAC uAppa Bowe. Mhlekazi uAppa, masibulise sikwamkele e-SABC lihaye, sibambe ngazibini ngexesha lakho.
And Anbulisa Wonke, greetings to all your viewers and yourself. Thank you.
Mhlekazi, sive kakuhle into bangaba mhlawumbe nina nisho into kubana oku kunefuthe lezopolitiko. Ingaba mhlawumbe ngubani lona imrhanelayo njenge-PAC?
Yes, ma'am. This happens exactly after we have had a march on Saturday, wherein together with the community, we were demonstrating that the people of Gafreinet are supportive of the name change, that the name should change to Robert Sobukwe Town. And immediately after this, on Tuesday, we got the reports that the grave has been vandalized. And yesterday, we sent a delegation to check what is happening. And they confirmed that indeed the grave has been vandalized. And we immediately opened the case. So there is that link with what had happened on Saturday. Importantly, a week before our march, there was also a march by predominantly white people who were against the renaming of Robert Sobukwe to the renaming of Gafreinet to Robert Sobukwe. So there is definitely a link.
Ingaba mhlambe bakhona abantu enibarhanelenayo njengokusisho into kubana ikhona ilink ekhoyo, ingaba akhona amagama abantu okanye niphose nje okanye nalindele emapoliseni into kubana benze uphando?
Sisalindele emapoliseni. We just got a report now from the police that they have arrested 1 or 2 people. I'm just waiting for confirmation as to exactly who are these people. Just before I came on air, 3 minutes before I came on air, we got that report, but we're still verifying as to. And it was also alleged that the person appeared in court today, or was to appear in court today, but we still have to verify what does that mean.
Uyatsho into kubana kukudalanga nibambe umngcelelo njenge-PAC namalungu e-communities. Ndiyafuna uqonda into kubana isiganeko esikunje esikumila kunje esivela kanye ngeli xesha ingaba lisityhila ntoni ngoMzantsi Afrika nangendlela mhlawumbe singatsho into kubana indlela abanganikezi imbeko ngayo kumaqhawe afana no-Robert Sobukwe.
You can only go to PAC social media platform and see some of the hateful comments that are there, that are actually from some of the people that who we believe are fellow South Africans, but they have not embraced transformation. Transformation is a constitutional imperative. The names of these towns must change. The colonial names must change and reflect the true history of this country. Robert Sobukwe is a true liberation hero of this country. Robert Sobukwe is one of the people who embraced the notion of one human race, as opposed to others who were saying there should be multiracialism. He said multiracialism is race multiplied. So this is a history that must be embraced by all South Africans. He was the only leader who was arrested on Robben Island and kept in isolation from all other prisoners. So you can't just forget about that history. It comes from Gafreinet. He was born and bred in Gafreinet. So Gafreinet should embrace that history. So it's not acceptable that some sections amongst our society don't want to embrace this change that we need to have in the country. You know, Africans have always extended a hand of reconciliation, but that hand has always been snapped by a group or few of individuals in this country. And we're saying as the PAC, that is unacceptable.
Siyaqonda into kubana lento yenzeke ngokuba sasibone notshintsho liqhubeka. Ingaba mhlawumbe zeziphi i-concrete steps enizawuthi nizithathe njenge-PAC nalapho nizawumemelela urhulumente into kubana akwazi ukukhusela le heritage site, kuba kaloku asazi into yobana abantu ngomso bazawenza ntoni na. Siyaqonda into kubana kudala niyikhalimela into bangaba mhlawumbe amagorha afana no-Robert Sobukwe kubonakala ngathi akanikezwa ngqalelo.
Yes, we believe that this is the only beginning. There are many areas that should still be named after our liberation, it was particularly from the PAC. We have very big names of people who contributed immensely to the liberation of this country or to the fight against apartheid and colonialism. And we believe very strongly that such people should be recognized. More importantly, from our side, with regard to what happened in Robert Sobukwe town, we are still of the view that we need to engage even with those that are opposed to the name change, make them understand the significance and the importance of us having to have these changes. And we have started that process. We have engaged with them, and we are hoping that we will find an amicable solution. However, the name of Gavrenet should remain Robert Sobukwe Town. That cannot be changed, that cannot be reversed. Let's engage, let's find ways of how to accommodate each other, but let's also embrace transformation. Let's also embrace that all leaders of this country should be recognized, and the history of this country should truly reflect what this country is all about. It cannot be that it reflects our colonial past or our apartheid past or the past that was dominated by few when the majority were excluded.
Xa singena kwindaba yokutshintsha kwegama siyaqonda into yokubana oku kuye kwabe kanti kwabethabethana izimvo kubahlali baseRobert Sobukwe. Nalapho abanye besitsho into yokubana ababoni tshintsho okuzawuthi kwenzeke ezimpilweni zabo ngenxa into yobana kutshintshwe igama. Abanye basatsho into yokubana basembothwe yintsokolo nentlupheko. Ingaba mhlawumbi izicwangciso zenu zokuba nithethethisane nabo abahlali baseGauteng, ingakumbi abo esibona into yokubana baqhankqalaze zithini?
Yes, we have done so and will continue to do so. And we are very excited with our first meetings that we've had with those that are opposed. We seemed to have a way of finding a resolution towards this impasse. But more importantly, as I said, you are asking as to what will be the economic spin-offs that comes out of the change of the names. When we were there, we realized that there's a lot of tourists that are coming to Gauteng, but they are only focused on the certain part or a certain section of the history of Gauteng, including game farming and all other activities that are happening there. But they are not moving towards the majority African areas where we have Robert Mangaliso Sobukwe Museum there that is vandalized, that is not well kept, where visitors are unable to go and see this museum because it's not functioning. We think that if you integrate all of this together, there's a potential of also job creation for all the people of Gauteng as opposed to what is happening now, where only a few sections is benefiting on tourism, only a few sections continue to be much more richer, whereas the majority becomes more poorer. So it's all inclusive and all encompassing proposals that we are going to make. You will know that it was as a result of Sharpeville 21 March protest in Sharpeville and in Langa that apartheid was declared crime against humanity by the United Nations. The United Nations had a session as a result of what happened here. And that march or that protest was led by Robert Sobukwe, initiated by the leadership of Robert Sobukwe. So the world all over recognizes Sobukwe. So if we were to take that as an advantage of creating a tourism sector in Gauteng, thereby creating an employment, thereby exposing the history, the deep history that is there in Gauteng. I think that can assist in it can have some economic spin-offs for the residents of Gauteng. One other thing that while we were there, we also discovered that Gauteng is one area where the origin of mammal life started. And we're saying, but these are the things that can be combined together with this rich historical liberation icon and make sure that we create some economic spin-off for all the residents of Gauteng. So it's not true that the name will not change anything. It's only through much effort that we can have economic spin-offs.
Mhlekazi, masibambe ngazibini ngexesha lakho.
Thank you, and thank you to all your listeners.
Right, mgeli we-SABC lihaye lo ke besihlala indlebe naye nguye unobhala jikelele we-PAC